Hello, friends. How are you all doing? I am from India and this is my first YouTube video. In this video, I would like to share with you all the mobile apps which I use for my day to day household transactions. The first and foremost app being GPay or Google Pay. I use the Google Pay app for all my financial transactions, for my payments, etc. And I sometimes use the Paytm app as well for the same purpose. Like whenever Google Pay is down, I go for Paytm and vice versa. And I use the IRCTC Rail Connect app for booking my train tickets whenever I want to travel to some city within India. And then I use the Redbus app for booking my bus tickets whenever I prefer to travel by bus to another city. And then I use the Ola app for booking my cabs whenever I want to travel within the city. And then I also use the Rapido app for booking my autos whenever I want to travel within the city. I sometimes book my autos through Ola, and I in Ola we can book both autos and cabs. However, in Rapido we can book only autos. So whenever Ola is busy, I go for Rapido and vice versa when it comes to auto booking. And then I use the Porter app for transporting my goods such as parcels, or whenever I have to pick up my parcel from somewhere, I use the Porter app. And then I use the Act FiberNet app for recharging my internet, for making my monthly payments, etc. for the internet. And then I use the Practo app for booking my doctor appointments, health checkups, etc. And we can also do online consultation with doctors, especially during night times when we cannot travel. And the good thing with this Practo app is that we can store all our prescriptions in the app itself and we can refer it back whenever we require it. And then I use the pharmacy app for ordering my medicines online. Like I generally order it on a monthly basis, and if I require some medicine immediately, like we can get it maximum within a day or two when we order through pharmacy. And then I use the laundromate app for my laundry. That is, I don't use it for washing my clothes, but I use it for ironing my clothes. They deliver it within 24 hours. That is the advantage. And then I use the Urban Company app for all my repairs at home, such as plumbing work, electrical work, or any other appliances repair, such as AC, microwave oven, etc. And also, we can book beauty services through this app. And then I use the Tata New app for ordering my monthly groceries and vegetables. Inside Tata New, we have grocery option which goes to the big basket because big basket is now a part of Tata New. So inside that we have two options, big basket and BB Now. If we go to Big Basket, so through this you can order your monthly groceries where everything will get delivered within 1 or 2 days. But if you want instant groceries or milk, vegetables, something, fruits, instantly you can go for the BB Now option. So I basically order my monthly groceries through Big Basket option and any emergency items through BB Now option. So sometimes I go through the Tata New app to Big Basket. Sometimes I directly go to Big Basket. So the difference is that when you order it through Tata New, you don't get any delivery charges. However, when we order through Big Basket, um, we need to have a minimum basket value to avoid the delivery charges. And when we order through Tata New, um, we get some new coins, so which is redeemable when we order through Big Basket. So when we order through Tata New, we get a new coins which can be redeemed fully when we order directly through Big Basket. So I use these two apps interchangeably for my groceries. And then I use the Mintra app for buying my apparels. They have a very beautiful collection of dresses. So I always go for Mintra when it comes to online shopping of dresses. And then I use the Amazon app for ordering my household items such as bed sheets, pillow covers, curtains, etc. So, except my groceries, vegetables, and apparels, I prefer Amazon for all other household items. And I also use the Flipkart app for my household items sometimes. I generally compare Amazon and Flipkart and go for the best product based on the customer reviews. Friends, and then I use the Swiggy app for ordering my food online. And then I also use the Instamart option inside Swiggy for buying my groceries sometimes. Whenever a particular item is not available in Big Basket, I go for Instamart inside Swiggy. They also deliver within 15 to 20 minutes. And then I use the Book My Show app for booking my movie tickets. We can book tickets across all cities and all theaters across India. And we can also pre book our snacks and beverages which we require at the time of watching the movie. And then I use the X Recorder app for recording all my videos, which I have started using recently. So, altogether, these are all the apps which I am using for my day to day household transactions. That is GPay and Paytm for my financial transactions, IRCTC, Rail Connect, Redbus, Ola, and Rapido for my travel, Porter for transporting my goods, Act Fibernet for recharging my internet, Practo and Pharmacy for my medical requirements, Laundromate for my laundry, Urban Company for my beauty services and appliances repair, plumbing and electrical work, Tata New Big Basket and Swiggy Instamart for my groceries and vegetables, Mintra for my apparels, Amazon and Flipkart for all my household items, except vegetables, fruits, groceries, and apparels. Swiggy for my online food ordering, Book My Show for entertainment purposes, that is for booking movie tickets, and X Recorder for recording my videos. I hope you all liked this video, and in the upcoming videos, I would like to share more details about each of these apps on how to use them, and I would also be delighted to share with you some of the coupon codes which I get from these apps, which might be of use to you. Your suggestions and feedback are welcome. Thank you, guys.